Welcome to CES 2021, because this is as close as you're going to get to CES. No Las Vegas, no big parties, no big press conferences. Some of the companies barely had a press conference at all online. It's all virtual. But some people are still sending out invites and having events like Anchor. Okay, they make these really cool earbuds. I'm not telling you what they're going to announce later this week, but instead of the thing they're going to announce, they sent a box. So this is the box. Join flashy box. So I thought we'd open that because this is all you're going to get from CES, all right? Big box. Very interesting, very nice, very flashy. It spins around and tells us the time of the event. And it's a guitar. Is it a guitar? We'll see. Is it really a guitar? And it is! It's a mini guitar! I gotta see. Does it play? Not really, but it looks really great. Oh! And it even comes with a stand. Excellent. And a guitar stand. So we'll get that. I'll set that up later. You get the idea. And the case. And yes! A t-shirt. I didn't get to go to Las Vegas, but I did get a t-shirt.